Hey guys, what's happening? AI website builders have come a long way, and HostGator now offers AI-powered tools that promise to build a website for you in just minutes. Sounds impressive, right? But how good is it really? Can it replace hiring a designer or spending hours building your own site? And more importantly, where does it completely fall apart? In this video, I will show you three things HostGator AI does surprisingly well, two areas where it still struggles, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's dive in. HostGator AI is designed to speed up website creation by generating layouts, text, and design suggestions based on a few questions about your business or project. Instead of starting with a blank page, the AI creates a draft website that you can customize using HostGator's website builder. Now, the goal isn't to replace web developers, it's to help beginners get online much faster. Now, this is probably where HostGator AI performs best. After answering a few simple questions like your business type, website name, and goals, it can generate a complete homepage with sections such as hero banner, about section, services, contact information, CTA. Instead of starting or staring at an empty editor, you have already a structure you can refine. For beginners, that's a huge time saver. Now, writing website content is often harder than designing the site itself. HostGator AI can generate basic headlines, descriptions, and section text that fits your business category. Will it win copywriting awards? Probably not. But it gives you something to edit instead of forcing you to write every word from scratch. That's especially helpful if you're launching your first website. Now, not everyone wants to learn WordPress, HTML, CSS, or web design. HostGator AI removes much of that complexity. For freelancers, local businesses, consultants, restaurants, or personal portfolios, you can go from idea to published website much faster than building everything manually. If speed is your priority, that's one of its biggest strengths, right? Now let's talk about the weaknesses. AI generated websites often look fine, but they rarely feel unique. Many layouts follow similar templates, and without customization, your site can end up looking very similar to countless others. If your brand depends on standing out visually, you probably want to spend time editing the design or hire a professional. Now, this is the biggest limitation. HostGator AI is great for simple websites, but once you need advanced functionality such as membership portals, large online stores, custom database, booking systems, complex integrations, or advanced automations, the AI quickly reaches its limit. So at that point, you will likely need more specialized tools, custom deployment, or the custom development, or a more flexible website platform. Now, HostGator AI is a good fit if you need a simple website, simple business website, want to launch quickly, have a little or no design experience, want AI to handle that first draft. It may not be the best choice if you're building a highly customized website or need advanced features from day one, but that's that's enough to push you ahead. So, is HostGator AI worth using in 2026? For beginners, I'd say yes. It dramatically reduces the time it takes to build a basic website, and it's much less intimidating than starting from scratch. Just remember that AI is a starting point just to push you ahead, not the finished product. The best websites still benefit from human editing, better branding, and thoughtful content. Think of HostGator AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Now, if you're curious about trying HostGator AI, check the link in the description to explore the latest website builder features and hosting plans. If this review helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more honest software and hosting reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust AI to build your entire website, or would you rather design it yourself? Thanks for watching, and I look forward to see your comments and your opinions. See ya.